I just wanted to make a video of this CB that I talked on to Ohio the other day, and just wanted to show the wattage getting out in this thing. So it is a Uniden PC68LWT. I'm sorry, PC68LTW. Uniden. Here we go. Let's look at the 10 watt scale. See, we're swinging about 2, maybe 3 watts. Hello. Dead keying, and it's really not swinging anything. Test. So not much swing in there. I'm going to try to put a swing kit on it. But you can see, here's the radio, the Uniden. And if you see here, the SWRs on this are just, see if I can get both of these done at the same time here. Look at here. Now you can see the SWRs are just awesome. They don't even, it doesn't even move. Okay, when we're testing the SWR there. That's channel 28. Let's try channel 40, and we will adjust this again. So you can see again, SWRs, it's not even moving. And now we'll go ahead and put this on channel 1. We'll do the same thing on channel 1 here. You can see just a little bit, just a little movement on channel 1. So you can just see there that when you got the right SWRs and you're getting all your power out of your antenna, you can talk. I think it was channel 32 that I talked with that 2.5 watts. Alright, till next time. Okay, so I did the mods, and here's what we're looking at with the mods that I did. You can see we're keying up about a 1/4 watt right there. Hello. Audio. Swinging just past 2.25 watts. We're going to turn on the linear. See, with the linear on, we're keying up almost 4 watts dead key. Hello. Test. Test. Hey, audio. So we're swinging about 40 to 50, in between the 4 and the 6 there. Audio. Test. Hello. Audio. Audio. Test. Swing. Test. see the dead key there. You can see the swing. Audio. Audio. Test, 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 test. Swing, swing. So you can see it's got a lot of swing in it there when we test the radio meter. And then if we look here, we turn on the, do a lot more receive with the preamp on coming in. A lot more receive. Alright, that's what we're looking at.